Good morning, Namaskar, listeners, brothers and
स्वागत है आपका
sisters,
Gateway की दुनिया में। The Bluetooth device
ladies and
is ready
gentlemen,
to pair.
friends, doctors, officials, ministers. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all around this world, those who are listening. It will be really knowledgeable and a great solution of the present problem that our country, not only our country but the whole world is facing. How to prevent viral diseases? Viruses are very small, complex particles of nucleic acids and proteins which act as infectious agents and multiply or reproduce only inside the living cells of other organisms. Virus can infect all forms of animals, plants, to microorganisms, including bacteria. The Latin word viren stands for poison. The first discovery of tobacco mosaic virus was made by D. Ivanovsky in 1892. There are innumerable types of virus in all kinds of natural environment. They are very small in size, 20 to 1000 mm, about the 1/100th of average bacteria, and can only be observed through electronic microscope, means not by any optical microscope. The genetic material of virus is DNA or RNA, covered with a protein called capsid. These particles may get protected by lipid membrane when they acquire crystalline from outside their host cells. Viruses are now being considered as a form of life that interacts with other living organisms because they possess the quality to reproduce similar young ones, have genetic material, single or double stranded DNA or RNA, can undergo changes, mutations due to change of host or environment. The other properties that go against This claim of living genesis of virus are they cannot survive independently, do not have the originalities of ribosome or mitochondria, nucleus and chromosomes. They are unable to produce their own proteins, energy and genetic material outside the body of the host. What are the viral diseases? The illness caused by virus are communicable, direct or indirect, and many are fatal. The common human disorders are influenza, chickenpox, smallpox, polio, AIDS, herpes, measles, mumps, rubella, bad cold, shingles, viral gastroenteric meningitis, viral hepatitis, dengue fever, trachoma, chikungunya, viral pneumonia, rabies and many more. Most common ways of transfer of infections from carrier person to other persons include breathing in air borne droplets contaminated with virus, taking food and drinking water polluted with virus or containing microbes infected with virus, having sexual contact with infected person, wrong type of blood transfusion, indirect transmission from infected persons through mosquitoes, ticks, field mice, cats, dogs, other attacking animals, etc. Direct contact or touching with certain host plants, touching body surface or skin or body fluid contaminated with virus. What is influenza? It is caused by highly infectious myxovirus. It results in fever, headache, pain all over the body, bad effects on nose, throat and air passages, sneezing and cough. In neglected cases, pneumonia, bad cold and ear infection may also cause complications. There is no vaccine and specific drug, but doctor's advice is beneficial. Measles. What is measles? Caused by a type of paramyxovirus and transmitted by direct contacts, cough and sneezing of the patient. In the early stage, It causes chill, infection of nose and fever, but later on red black skin rashes. The disease can be prevented by isolating the patient, protection against cold and direct exposure of the ill, direct exposure of air, cleaning body with warm water, Admoston B vaccine. Admoston B vaccine prepared from chick embryo and injecting globulins. What is mumps? Caused by a type of paramyxovirus through direct contact with patient and saliva. It results in headache, backache, excess swelling of saliva and taste buds, swelling in jaws and ears. Aspirin is given